It's easy, it only takes 5 or 6 days, and it's fun.
My wife is preparing 2 jars of sprouts. 2-quart jars. Here's the sprouting lids. These are just stainless steel screens that'll fit in any large canning rings. A bag of broccoli seeds. She ordered the seeds and our sprouting kit on Amazon. She's putting 2 tablespoons of seeds in each quart jar. We'll need some hydration, about a cup of water in each quart jar. Tighten on the lids, and she'll let these seeds soak for 4 or 5 hours. It's been 5 hours. Now my wife's draining the water out of the jars. She's going to give the jars a swirl to stick the seeds to the sides, and then they'll go on the racks to drip dry. These drying racks are key to the sprouting process. They keep the seeds moist, but not too wet. That's it for day 1. I'll take over operations starting tomorrow morning, day 2. Teamwork. My wife has 2 jars of sprouts going. Now my job is to rinse them every morning and every night. We use this RO water, filtered water. That'll do. Swirl them around, get the seeds back on the sides of the jar. It's the morning of day 3 for the sprouts. I'll rinse them off this morning and tonight again. Some of the seeds are already popping. Good morning. Sprout check. We've got a lot of action now. Almost all the seeds have popped. It's the evening of day 4. Let's check out the sprouts. Now they're starting to fill up the jars. I'll rinse them off. They should be ready in a day or 2. Day 5, morning rinse. I think the sprouts will be ready this evening.
It's evening, day 5. Our jars are full of sprouts. We can finally enjoy all the goodness packed into these tiny plants. Now that our sprouts are done, I'm going to put a couple paper towels in a bowl and transfer them to the fridge. Look at all that goodness. They're good. Packed with nutrients and sulforaphane. Plus they have a little crunch and a nice peppery spice to them, kind of like mustard or radish. So we've shown you how to grow these sprouts, but why do it? Reason number 1, sprouts are healthy. These little guys are packed full of vitamins, minerals, and plant compounds. Plus, sprouts contain more nutrients than full-grown vegetables. Think of sprouts as vitamin supplements. Reason number 2, it's cheaper to grow your own sprouts than it is to buy them at the store. And reason number 3 to grow sprouts, if you're a gardener like I am in a cold climate, there's not much to do this time of year. Sprouts can put a little gardening into your system during the winter. How to use sprouts. I like to eat them just by the handful. Another obvious use is for salads and sandwiches. Delicious. Lately, my wife and I's favorite use of sprouts is with our eggs in the morning. We ran out of sauerkraut a month ago. That's our usual side for eggs in the morning. Now we're using sprouts, and it's delicious. Give sprouts a try. It's fun, easy, and the sprouting kits and seeds don't cost that much. Thanks for your help the past 5 days with the broccoli sprouts, and I'll see you next time at the Windmill Garden.
Now that's serious garden business.